is a CBS News Extra on smoking and health. The findings of the Surgeon General's Committee.
Almost from the moment that cigarettes were introduced, they were attacked. But the attacks took a new turn 10 years ago and culminated in today's report by the Surgeon General's Committee. This, in summary, is what the committee says. Cigarette smoking is a major cause of lung cancer in men, and data on women smokers points the same way. Cigarette smoking is a significant cause of cancer of the larynx, and probably the most important cause of chronic bronchitis. Cigarette smoking may be related to other lung diseases. Male smokers have a much higher death rate from heart disease, although it's not proven that smoking is the cause. On the question of filters, the committee says there is no evidence that they do any good, but it didn't exclude the possibility that an effective filter might be developed. In short, the committee says if you smoke cigarettes, you increase your chances of dying early. The sooner you start, the more you smoke, the more you inhale, the worse your chances are. In this kind of a country, it comes down to you whether you like it or not. No one is going to forbid an adult to smoke, and it is now quite clear that no one is going to tell him it's good for him either. The decision is his. The decision and the health that may depend on it. This is Harry Reasoner. Good night.
This has been a CBS News Extra on smoking and health.